the day baby Jimmy drew his first breath, a sign of greatness rising from the roots of humble death. Just like Christ born low in a manger, Jimmy grew strong, no trace of anger. He loved his land, he stood so firm, made sweet Africa his long term. He honored his roots, made frequent returns, and told the guardian with love that burns, I love being in Africa, I just love the atmosphere. Reggae unites the motherland, connects the hearts across the sand. From distant shores to Zion's song, in rhythm and love we all belong. I love being in Africa, I just love the atmosphere. I love being in Africa, I just love the atmosphere. The Jimmy songs gave hope and light to the oppressed in dark of night. From Kingston streets to Africa's shore, he broke down walls, opened the door.